Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log into your Zangi account. It's a simple process, but I'll walk you through step by step so you don't miss anything. Now, if you haven't logged out of your account, good news. Zangi will usually log you in automatically when you open the app. No password needed, no extra steps. But if you did log out or if you're on a new device, here's what you'll do. On the main screen, tap sign in instead of register. This tells Zangi you already have an account. Next, enter your Zangi private number. That's the unique number you received when you first created your account. Once you've typed it in, tap next at the bottom right. Now, you'll be asked for your password. Go ahead and type it in carefully. Then tap the next button again and give it a moment. Yeah, it might take a couple of seconds to process, and that's it. You should now be logged into your Zangi account. From here, you can access your chats, calls, and settings just like before. Quick reminder, if you haven't set a password on your Zangi account, go ahead and do that. Without a password, yeah, your account could be vulnerable. Setting one makes sure you can always log back in securely, even if you switch devices. So to recap, open the app, choose sign in, enter your private number, add your password, and you're back inside your account. Super simple. And hey, if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials. See you in the next one.